Video number 5 of this giant reclinata being transplanted. Once again, we're at Lone Palm Golf Course. This belongs to Publix. It was built as a private golf course, gosh, 50, 60, 80 years ago. I don't know. I've been here my whole life in Lakeland, Florida, and this golf course has been here my whole life. So this palm tree was out on the golf course, and the folks in the management here like to commemorate George Jenkins because he was a great man. He built the Publix empire. That made him great. He was kind. He was a philanthropist. Hundreds, perhaps thousands of Lakeland's citizens are employed by Publix. And that's not even counting the rest of the state, Alabama, Georgia, North Carolina. This is an empire, baby. So once again, I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. And we are going to give you one more video of this tree when it goes in the ground.